Okay, YouTube, so what we got going on today, as you can see, we throwing on the springs. These Demon springs I had grabbed from BMR. It's supposed to be the same springs that's on the Demon. They make them for my car, well, our generation cars. Got my tires sitting right here. Had to take them off so they ain't getting too worn down. They already bald though, as you can see. Had to cook a couple niggas with them Jones. And this drum was my old axle. That drum was shot. Got this 300s old trans sitting right here. Got a couple parts sitting in here from old jobs we did. Just trying to get everything back running right. But once I throw these springs on, I'm gonna show y'all the difference between these springs and the stock springs. These springs are supposed to help with like weight transfer and everything, so it should make the car kind of squat in the back and lift up more so in the front. So we're gonna see. I also had to change a couple control arms on here, like 2 back control arms, 2 front control arms. Part's supposed to come in today too, so hopefully they get here while I'm in the middle of changing the spring so I can just throw it all on together. Call it a day. So as y'all can see, I also got Bilstein shocks for the front. I'm gonna throw on it at this time too. Just only got stock shocks in the front right now. So I'm gonna throw those on. Car dirty as shit right now, like dirty. Still got shit from spanking this 6.4 the other day all over the car. Yeah, it's on dirty as shit right now. So as you can see right now, what I'm doing is taking this strut out right here. Take this coil, well, I don't gotta take it over that, just put it on those ones. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to start taking all these parts off. I gotta change this control arm. There's another control arm that bolts in with the strut. I'm gonna change the strut obviously to the ones I said, the Bilstein ones with the springs. Do the same thing on both sides. And then I gotta change the rear springs and then one control arm on both sides. Then basically all the suspension basically no. So I'm gonna get to work on that now. As you can see, that's the stock spring next to the BMR springs. This one a little shorter, spring's a little wider. Got this side all out. I'll throw this side back in, do the other side, then hop on the back side. Got this one all put together already. About to throw this one in, then do the other side, put that one in. Then we good to go for the front. Then do the back side, then we all good. Okay, as you can see, I got both fronts installed. Now it's time to move on to the back. About to back now, then it should be good to just test her out. Okay, so now we on to the rear springs. As you can see how they look compared to each other. The rear one's not too different. It's a little shorter, but not really much. Springs a little tighter though. You can see a little difference in that. But other than that, pretty much the same. So you go in the rear like that, do this side same way. I'm gonna be all good. So here go the after of installing the drag springs. I had to drop the back a little bit. The front looks still the same. But yeah, definitely dropped the back a little bit because as you can see right now, barely any space, right there to right there. Before it was definitely some space right there. But it looked good though. y'all a couple POVs of launches and everything, so y'all can see the difference in that, on how it takes off and how it lifts up more compared to stock. Alright, y'all, so I got the Demon Springs on now. I do a couple little pulls, see how I feel. I'm on my street tires right now. Just gonna do a little like first gear pulls. See how I feel with the new springs on it. Drop down to first gear. Definitely lift up a lot more.